Jollibee. Natatakot siya. Takot siya kay Jollibee. Okay, open the other gift.
How about my gift?
Oh, open Ate's gift.
It's so special. It's a Hello Kitty.
Oh, show it first. You read. You read that. May love letter ka kay Ate Bila. Oh.
Dear Baby, happy third birthday. Enjoy this gift that I gave you. Your sister, Ursula. Here, a Hello Kitty. Sweet dessert. Baby, see what's inside the other boxes while I fix this. I'll fix this for you, baby.
Ay, dito ka. Mamaya ka na bubuksan. Eh, balik ka yun. Mamaya na buksan. Toilet mo nga yung ano.
Baby, how about from Mama Leia?
Oh, yay, open na.
Happy birthday, baby. From Mama Leia.
Oh, open na.
This is so big.
Ate, help, baby. Ay,
Come on.
baby Ri. Uy, si baby, pag-open mo. Baby Ri.
Baby, open it. Tear it down. Wait, it's a box?
Hey, you're blocking.
What's in the box?
Dati tulungan mo.
Wait, what is this? Oh, I have no idea what's inside it. What's this?
Daddy will help you.
Look, box. No wonder this box is so big. What's inside it? It's a mystery.
Ang gusto niya yung gift ni ate, oh. Hawak pa rin hanggang ngayon yung gift ni ate.
This box. I don't know
Oh, you be
what's
careful.
What's inside it?
Oh, it's Del Monte sweet.
Maybe it's for the spaghetti.
No, it's not for
What's that? It's surprise.
It's a box.
Baka yan na bro, nakadaktik eh. What's that? Maganda eh. Alam na. Surprise.
Asan na yung ano? Asan na yung regalo mo kay baby Ri? I think. Takot siya dito.
Wait,
Binibigay ni ate,
you
takot.
said the instruction said I should push the hat, but it's not lighting up. Wait.
Oh, baby Ri.
Wow! What is
Oh, open up. Baby, open it.
Oh, open. Dali.
Baby, open it.
what is this?
Oh, get it. Oh, it's your gift. Oh, get it.
What's that? Oh,
It's
it's
a big
Peppa
Peppa Pig
Pig.
bag.
Oh, open another gift.
It's Peppa Pig.
Let's open another gift. How about from mommy? Happy third birthday, baby Cameron. Love, mommy and baby Bunso.
Oh, you open the gift of baby Bunso.
Wait, first let's open the baby gift. Then we'll open the what? That's mommy. That's mommy's gift. Let's continue opening the baby gift.
Oh.
It's a guitar.
Oh, what's that?
It's a guitar.
Ay, tulungan mo ba niya? Oh,
Oh, I like it.
I love it.
oh, I love it daw ang gift ni Mami.
Wait, here's the scissors.
Baya na itulungan mo. Takay tagibig siya.
Ah,
Oh, baya na, buksan mo.
come on. Come out, Leia.
Wow!
Let's see if we
it's
can
a
from
guitar.
baby Bunso.
Oh.
Wow, I like
Wow. You wear this one.
This is
one.
baby Bunso.
Ano, you wear this one.
What's in this thing?
Wow! You look like us.
Oh, ano yung matulungan mo na? Oh, yung open the gift of baby Bunso.
Wait,
Ay, sa likod ninyo. Ika tatanggal ang anak natanggal. May takip yan. Ayun, natanggal ni baby Ri.
then let's get.
Oh, oh, wait natin si ano. Oh, oh Ash. Oh, wait. Oh, Oh, look at that. Baby, the baby's gift. Oh,
Baby's gift.
oh, baby's gift. Wow.
You look us.
Wow, yung anak.
Sabi sa tenga, sabi sa tenga. Oh, wow.
Wow.
You look us.
Look, baby.
Wow, you look us.
Oh, yeah, open the other gift,
You look cool. How about Banana's gift?
Ayun, open mo yan, skip. Open.
Let's open
Oh,
it.
gusto mo na yung
Baby.
gift ni Baby Bunso.
Wow! What the wow?
Oh,
Open.
what's that gift?
It's an ice cream.
Oh, yes.
I have a dessert set.
Wow, it's an ice cream set.
Just ice cream. I think you're copying me.
Ayan, partner kayong dalawa.
Mom, it is.
Oh, open na rin.
Where's the
How
scissor?
about we open this?
Mamaya na yung ito na, anak ka na. Pwede mo anak. Anak ko niyo mo. Mamaya ang play.
Here.
Mamaya ang play.
Mamaya.
Pinabubuksan na. Okay, open. Tiyan mo na. Gusto nang buksan eh. Buksan it na.
Baby, let's open
Ayan na.
the gift.
Dito. Oh, ayan na. Ayan, kanina yan. Nagbukas na yung dalawa, hindi na binasa.
Read mo na.
Let's read it. To Rick Cameron from JR and Jace Andrew.
JPN. It's from Kuya JP Jr. and Jace. Oh, open. Nako, naglaro na dito. Dito ka na maglaro. Oh, yayo. Oh, dito na.
It's a strawberry there.
Wow! Oh. Man,
Open.
banana, ano mo na nga ito? Assemble mo na rin.
Read muna bago open na ate.
Oh, read.
Come on. Don't come out.
Ako, anak. I will help you. Nakalusot kasi. Kada lusot mo. Huwag hindi gugupitin.
I know
Lusot mo lang.
how.
Read mo na.
Baby.
Binibidyo ko pa ng hawakan mo ako mag-ano.
From Ate Bibot. It's from Ate
Ay, si
Bibot.
mamaya mo ano, inuunahan mo si Baby Rain. Di ba ito pa yung binubuksan natin? Di ba ina-open natin to?
Banana. One night.
Oo, open this one.
Open.
Wow, may battery din kasama. Oh, it's a gift from Kuya JP. Wow! Wow! May ano ni Daddy. May kakabit ni Papa mamaya, ha? Wow! Kapin mo nila.
Wait, I think you put it
Kapay kabit mo nga ito. Sabi, regalo ni Kuya JP.
those gifts.
Oh, naglalaro na. Natatakot nga siya kay Jollibee. It's only Jollibee, don't be scared. Itakot. Assemble nyo to, mamaya.
A baby.
Open, sige, nag-assemble muna. At partner pala yung regalo ni Bonenet ni Ate IC eh.
Wait, let me see the. It says here that.
Mag-open kaya muna kayo ng gift, mamaya ang play. Open mo na yung gift. Lagay mo na dito muna, Bonenet. Open mo na kayo ng gift. Open mo na ang gift. Ay, si mamaya mo na-assemble yan. O, suot mo, Bonenet.
Here.
It's from... Oh, you read it.
Baby Riri, happy 3rd birthday. From Ate Biko.
Open. Wow, it's a new clothes for Baby Ree. Anak, let's open.
How about
Ay, Bonan, ikaw taga-open. Open mo.
happy birthday, Baby Riri? From Mommy Christy and Nico.
Na mabuksan mo nga ito regalo ni Bibot. Nilibot. Wow, oh! Another red clothes.
A rat one.
Yes, you hold this one.
Mamaya.
Ano
I
mami?
already basta. Happy birthday, Blueberry. From Mommy, Chrissy, and Nico.
Okay.
Oh, what's that?
Oh, open natin, open.
It's what is this?
Yan, ibigay mo sa bubuksan nila yan.
It's a doll.
Wow, it's from Kuya Miko and Mami
It's a
Christine.
doll, and it even has its own diaper.
And there's a diaper. With a dede.
And it has a diaper.
It's your baby. Oh, it's your
You will learn
baby.
how to